Welcome to the fitment video of EUROPA electronic lock P2 model. Inside the box, we can see the P2 lock along with its accessories. These are the required tools for fitment of the P2 model: hand gloves. This is the marker for the P2 model for its fitment on the door. Now we are going to place the marker on the thick side of the door. Make sure the marker is placed at the middle of the door. We have to mark the center point for each hole on the door as per the marker with a dot punch on both the front side and the thick side of the door. After marking, we are going to drill on the door as per the shape and dimensions mentioned on the marker. For drilling, we require 8 mm, 20 mm, 32 mm and 45 mm drill bits. After drilling, we will proceed with the mortising process on the thick side of the door. Mortising process footage. This is the mortise lock body for the electronic lock P2 model. It has a wire connector, two solid dead bolts, one latch bolt, and a mechanical sensor. The specialty of this latch bolt is that it's attached to a sensor inside the mortise lock body, which helps activate the deadbolt once the latch bolt comes into contact with the door frame. Now we are going to install this mortise lock body to the thick side of the door. First, we have to insert this connector wire through the mortised cavity and take it out through the outside drilled face of the door. Now, with the help of an electronic screwdriver, fix the mortise lock body to the door with its 4 respective screws. Now we are going to install this mortise lock cylinder. Take the lock cylinder, and at the back side of the cylinder, we can see a strip. Now we have to rotate it and make sure the black solid part remains straight to the cylinder. Now insert the cylinder from the outside face of the door through the cavity of the mortise lock body. Now we can see the mortise lock cylinder is properly placed. Now fix the mortise lock cylinder with its respective screw. Ensure the proper working of both the mortise lock cylinder and the mortise lock body with its respective key. These are the panels of EUROPA electronic lock P2 model. This is the outside door panel. which has a touchscreen display, RFID card facility, doorbell, and fingerprint sensor. Remove the cover with its respective pin. Once we remove this face cover, we can see the slot to insert our mechanical key. At the back face, we can see two wire connectors. And this is the anti-pry theft alarm button. If anyone attempts to break the lock physically from the outside, at that time, the anti-pry theft alarm will be activated. At the back face of the outside panel, we are going to install screw extenders. For inside panel, at the front face of the inside panel, we have a rotatable knob which helps to actuate the deadbolt and mechanical sensor on the mortise lock body. At the back face of the inside panel, we have a wire connector. Now we are going to screw in the two guiding rods to the inside panel. These guiding rods help to locate and guide the handle through the two holes on the mortise lock body. Now we are going to install both panels on the door. First, take the outside panel and connect the short wire from the panel to the mortise lock body wire. Ensure the connectors are properly locked. Now insert the extra wire into the door cavity like this. Also, insert the second wire through the same cavity and extend it to the other side of the door like this. Now, place the outside panel on the door face like this. Now take the inside panel. Here we can see a rubber button, which we can remove with our finger. You can see the screw hole. Now also remove its face cover, and we can see screw holes. One here, where we will insert the two screws that help fix both the panels to the door. Now connect the wires between the outside panel and the inside panel like this. After that, insert the excess wire into the door cavity like this and place the inside panel on the door face like this. Now, fix both the panels with these screws and ensure both panels are fixed properly to the door. Now install the face cover and rubber button like this. We can see our EUROPA electronic lock P2 model is completely fixed to the door. Now ensure the proper functioning of the lock by touching the outside panel screen.